triple. Ooh, he gets exposed again, so there's no heroic moment here for Donk.
Timing's perfect.
3v5 or we go overtime. And Senzu's got that coverage. The double off comes out and the impact is immediately felt. Shiro's been a god for Spirit, trying to save them all T-side long. 4 more players to topple, 2 of them with ops. He is so pinned into this spot. Senzu waiting, gets peeled off of the play. And there's 20 seconds with a bomb on his belt. If he peeks deep into catwalk, now he's got a third. Don't you tell me this is real. 15 seconds, and he's gonna go for the kill to just come back. And he looks like it's gonna come down to the wire, but the time is still there to take it. 4 kills, but on site is Mzinho, and his guard is down. If he does this, it's a god play denied at the final hurdle.
Wow, such a nice try from Shiro.